Hey guys, we're at food trucks. This is called Dave's, and there's a zipper ripper. Which if you eat it all, it's gonna zip your belly open because it's so much. That's the zipper ripper. And so big. Up, camera, up. These are sweet potato fries, and if y'all never heard of them, this tastes good. Wow! This is what the inside of them looks like.
What else are you going to talk about, Aaron?
We've been doing.
No, listen. Let's paused it. Talk about the first one we went to, the cupcake. What you got, how it was, what it looked like.
Huh?
The cupcake. You're chewing your mouth open. It's so ugly.
What's inside of it?
Ready? Ready? Go.
So weird.
I'm not talking about what you're supposed to talk about.
Huh? Okay. The first food truck I went to was a cupcake one, and I got a salted caramel cupcake. And then the chocolate right there. And the second one I went to was the taco one. It wasn't really taco, but tortilla one. Greek. And this is Dave's. The zipper ripper is so big. I never ate it before. I just know it's big. Again, that's a sample. I'm gonna put some ketchup on. Hey guys, we are back, and what we got at the Rick stand was pita chips and hummus. Pita chips, very crunchy. They don't know really how to make chips. I thought there's a feel good cheers, but they did. Get out there! And what I got here is sweet potatoes and nasty and a burger. So it's a food truck review, and I'm gonna eat my burger and see how much I can eat so I can get my cookie. And the cookie is called Turtle. I just thought it was a normal chocolate chip cookie, but it wasn't. That's so weird. Oh. No one goes in my mouth. Huh? My hamburger is very good, so bye.